Careful, Mo. Mo, wait for us. Mo, wait. Careful. Wait lang. Oh, don't touch that. Oh, careful ikaw. You might fall dyan. Ah, my God. Ayan, nagsugat na eh. Careful. Ano, sakit? Ha? Itchy? Ouch? Ouchie?
Yes.
Ay, careful ka lang. Daming cactus.
Hello!
Careful.
May sawa po dito.
Yes, careful. Oh, there's cactus, oh. Cactus, oh.
There.
There's a lot of cactus, oh. Oh, matutusok. Matutusok
I
kayo
didn't
dyan.
see any cactus in this
Ayan,
world.
oh.
I just found one.
This one, oh. Cactus, oh. Oh, careful mo, ha. Sakit? Oh, don't touch na.
Look, I don't touch cactuses. I know it hurts you. Oh. Okay. May sawa po dito. May sawa po dito.
Cactus food.
Wala.
Cactus, oh. Yan, oh. Oh, it has thorn. You might, ano.
May sasabihin po ako sa inyo. Alam niyo po ba kung paano mamamatay yung mga jellyfish?
Okay. How?
Pag may dala ka pong turtle, ibabato mo lang sa may jellyfish.
Oh?
Tas papakainin mo.
No.
Alam niyo po ba yung mga mga turtle na yon? Alam niyo po ba yung kinakain nila?
What?
Jellyfish.
Ah, jellyfish.
Kasi indestructible kasi may shell. Pag wala talagang shell, tas pag kumain siya, edi patay.
Okay. Jellyfish. Max, come here.
What? Hold Max. Okay. Max. Go! Ay, Max, dito lang. Lakad tayo, explore tayo. Explore po tayo.
Yes.
Exploring the adventure. Ako na. Ay, I'm gonna.
May bahay pala doon. May bahay.
I'm lucky. I'm the
Oh,
luckiest
careful ka
person
mo.
in the world. No one can stop me because my angel is here.
Where's your angel?
Don't know. I think she's in my... I don't know. My body. Or see me? Oh.
Ah, National Museum.
You can look at there.
What's that? What's that?
But you need, you can go there if you're old.
Oh, may National Museum para dito.
National Museum.
Petroglyphs. There, oh.
Bakit nandito po tayo sa Petroglyphs?
Petroglyphs. It has National Museum.
Mom, where are you? I'm gonna see you. Look up there. It's so far. Let's go over there. Let's go over there.